So since we got our RV, this garage is great, but when it's open, the magnets are way up there and it's very tall. If you look, we can't really reach it. And we knew it was a matter of time before it broke. Well, the hinge finally broke and now the door gets stuck. And because it's not mission critical, we don't want to fix it right now, both time and expense. We're not really in a position it's easy. So we're gonna do some rearranging and then we can lock this one down until we get home next month.